Hello guys, Plug My Thoughts here. Another bug, another problem in monetization in stream ads. It keeps loading, stuck on loading. This happens when you submit a review in your new post, and then when you reload, it keeps on loading and it's stuck. And when you try to go to your profile page, uh, the video is pre-posted, but the video won't see by your followers, only the admin of the page. When you go to your creator studio and under published videos, you will not see your newly posted video. And when you go to monetization in stream ads, it won't load. So you cannot edit and post your new video. So I have a solution for that. First, you want to go to notification. Under notification, go to recommendation. You can see the newly posted video here, but in stream ad, it keeps on loading, and you cannot edit and post the video. So go back to the recommendation, and after review, it says there's no issues to your video, so that will enable the monetization. And now you can simply click the post video, and then oops, pop up edit video. So now you can turn on the in-stream ads and post the video in public. Now you can go to your publish video, and boom, the video is there and the monetization is enabled. So hope this video helps you guys, and see you in the next one.
To change your